Welcome to Daily Dose of Parenting. In today's episode, we delve into the fascinating process of how children develop the essential skill of using a knife. Unlike learning to use a spoon or a fork, which many children start mastering at an earlier age, using a knife requires a higher level of dexterity and hand-eye coordination. Understanding the stages of this development and knowing how to support your child through each phase can transform mealtime into a safe, enjoyable, and educational experience for both you and your child. The process of a child learning to master the use of a knife showcases the complex development of their motor skills and cognitive abilities. Early introduction, 2 to 3 years. Around the age of 2 to 3 years, children can be introduced to the concept of using a knife. At this stage, plastic or butter knives are ideal as they are safer for little hands. The focus here is on getting children comfortable with holding the knife and learning basic motions like spreading. It's beneficial to start after they have gained some experience with spoons and forks. Introducing a safe, child-friendly knife is crucial at this stage. Demonstrate how to hold the knife correctly using a simple grip where the hand wraps around the handle. Encourage your child to use the knife to spread soft foods like butter on bread or peanut butter on crackers. This practice helps them understand the knife's basic function and builds confidence. Supervising closely and guiding their hand can help them get used to the motion. Reinforcing the use of spoons and forks alongside the knife helps in developing overall utensil skills comprehensively. Basic cutting skills, 4 to 5 years. Between the ages of 4 and 5, children can start learning basic cutting skills. At this stage, they can use a child-safe knife to cut soft foods, such as bananas or cooked vegetables. The focus is on improving hand-eye coordination and building confidence in handling a knife. Using child-safe knives that can cut through soft foods but won't pose a risk of injury is essential. Show your child how to use a sawing motion to cut through food, emphasizing the use of a fork to stabilize the food while cutting. Practicing with different soft foods helps build their confidence and skills. As children's abilities with spoons and forks improve, their knife skills will naturally follow. Supervision is key to ensure safety and correct technique, especially as they experiment with different textures and cutting motions. Intermediate skills, 6 to 7 years. By the age of 6 to 7 years, children can begin to use sharper knives under close supervision to cut slightly firmer foods. They should practice using a pinch grip, where they hold the handle with their fingers and place their thumb on the blade for better control. This stage focuses on refining their cutting technique and increasing their precision. Introducing slightly sharper knives suitable for children, ensuring they understand the importance of handling them safely, is crucial. Teach them to use a pinch grip for better control and precision. Encourage them to practice cutting firmer foods like cucumbers or cheese, gradually increasing the difficulty. Emphasize the importance of using a cutting board and keeping their fingers away from the blade. Reinforcing these practices while they continue to use spoons and forks for other parts of the meal can help integrate their skills. Advanced skills, 8 years and beyond. By the age of 8, children can start using regular kitchen knives under adult supervision. They should be comfortable with basic cutting tasks and ready to learn more advanced techniques, such as dicing and chopping. The focus here is on mastery and safe handling of knives. Allowing your child to use regular kitchen knives for more advanced cutting tasks requires constant supervision. Teach them various cutting techniques, such as dicing and chopping, and the importance of knife safety, such as keeping the blade sharp and storing knives properly. Encourage practice with a variety of foods to enhance their skills. Reinforce safety rules, such as never leaving knives unattended and always using a cutting board. As they master these skills, their overall confidence and competence with all utensils, including spoons and forks, will grow significantly. Scientific insights into development. The development of knife-using skills in children is extensively supported by research in developmental psychology and occupational therapy. A study published in the Journal of Motor Behavior emphasizes that the progression of fine motor skills essential for effective knife use is closely linked to the maturation of the nervous system and muscle control. The American Journal of Occupational Therapy further underscores the critical role of practice and parental guidance in mastering the use of utensils, particularly knives, for developing precise hand movements and coordination. Additionally, research in the Journal of Early Childhood Research highlights the importance of early childhood experiences in developing fine motor skills through tool and utensils use, stressing the need for a supportive and structured learning environment to foster these abilities effectively. Thank you for joining us on this episode of Daily Dose of Parenting, where we explored how children develop knife-using skills. For a comprehensive understanding of your child's utensil skills, be sure to watch our episodes on spoon and fork use. If you found this information helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insights and tips on parenting. Hit the like button, share this episode with other parents, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss an update. Together, let's make parenting a more enjoyable and informed journey. See you in the next episode.